How's it going, Adrian? So this video is intended to help you practice a song that we're going to be learning for our upcoming performance for our spring recital that we're going to be doing. So we are going to be performing a song from our Essential Elements book, and we are going to be working on it together in our lessons as well, but we made this video to kind of just help you further understand the piece and get a better idea of how we would like it to sound. So we're going to be doing line 28 on page 7, or sorry, line 28 on page 8. That's called Au clair de la lune, the light of the moon in French. Very beautiful. So we're going to be playing this song for our recital, and so we want to make sure that it's sounding just like how we want it to sound. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you, and then you can use this demonstration as a way to practice along and play along with me. So you want to get as close to my sound as you possibly can. Okay? So here we go. So we want to play at a tempo around here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 do 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 do. Nice and slow and tranquil, just like the light of the moon. So here is how we would like it to sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, there are a few things to notice. The first is we want to keep every single note supported and hold it for the proper length. So the first measure, we have 4 of which kind of note? It's the quarter note, that's right. And then the second measure, we have 2 notes of which kind of note? Half note. And then in the fourth measure, we have just 1 note that is this kind of note, a whole note. So quarter notes get 1 beat, half notes get 2 beats, or whole notes get 4 beats. That's right. So we want to make sure that we're giving each note its full value. And so we want to be practicing with a metronome always. A metronome is the fastest and easiest way to progress and get more technical with your instrument. So you can just type metronome right into Google, METRONOME, and then we'll set ours to 70 beats per minute. And pay close attention to how long each note is being held. We want to make sure that we're taking breaths at the breath marks. I forgot to do the last breath mark, but we want to make sure that our breathing is big and full and supported from the bottom of our diaphragm, like so that our chest puffs up really big and we can take in a lot of air, and we want to make sure that we're always pushing that air through our instrument so that our tone is supported and the note is in tune, and we're producing a big, beautiful sound. So here that is. We're going to play it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, so we're going to keep working on this song in our lessons, but now we have a quick little instructional video that we can use to practice with. We can use to better understand this song. So I hope that you stay diligent with your practicing and keep up with it, and really make sure that we've got all the fingerings down, we've got all of the things with our embouchure prepared and ready to go, so that we can play this song just as exactly as how we intend it to sound, right on the downbeat. Okay, so keep up the good work, and I'll see you next week.